Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to add pages, subpages, and links on Google Sites. So, if you're building a website and want to organize everything neatly, yeah, this will help you get it done in just a few minutes. All right, first thing, on the right side of your Google Sites editor, click the tab that says Pages. This is where you control, your entire site structure. To add a new page, hit the plus button at the bottom. A small window pops up. Just type the name of the page, like About or Services, anything you want. Then click Done. And yeah, that's your new page created instantly. Now, if you want to create a subpage, like a page inside another page, just click the three dots beside any page. Choose Add Subpage. Give it a name and hit Done. Google Sites automatically nests it under the main page, which keeps everything clean. And if you need to rearrange things, just drag any page up or down. Subpages can also be moved around under different parent pages, so yeah, you have full control of your layout. To add an external link, click that plus button again and select Link. Type the website you want to connect to, maybe your shop or a social profile. You can also link to other pages inside your site. Click Done and it'll show up right in your navigation menu. Anytime you want to rename, hide, or delete something, just hit those three dots again. You can adjust everything from there without messing up your layout. And that's basically it. You now know how to add pages, subpages, and links on Google Sites. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and, yeah, subscribe for more simple website tutorials.